Hey guys, what's going on? Jack Odo here with Rock and Rod Roofing and Restoration. I'm the owner and CEO here. Wanted to invite you guys into our shop so you can see where we fabricate the cars to bring out to the community. What we're going to do here is go through our real roof system. We are one in 26 contractors to receive the Diamond Level Customer Service Satisfaction from CertainTeed, which is the largest manufacturer of building materials in the nation. Due to that fact, they've allowed us to privately label their integrity roof system the Rock and Rod's ridiculously reliable, exceptionally awesome lifetime roof, which gives a 25-year workmanship on our work, backed by the largest manufacturer of building materials in the nation, as well as 50 years non-prorated coverage for the systems that we're about to go over with you. We're going to take you here and show you what the system is and what qualifies for the real roof system. We look forward to talking to you shortly. I just told you we were going to take you through our Rock and Rod's ridiculously reliable, exceptionally awesome lifetime roof. It's the only real roof you will ever need. This roof system is backed by the largest manufacturer of building materials in the nation, which is CertainTeed. We're what's called a CertainTeed Select Shingle Master Applicator. That's a credential that 5% of the roofing contractors in the nation are awarded. What that means to you, the homeowner, is that they check us monthly to make sure that we pay our bills. They check our sales staff and crews to make sure they have the proper application knowledge of the roof systems, along with making sure we carry adequate insurance to be part of their program. What we put on is Rock and Rod's ridiculously reliable, exceptionally awesome lifetime roof, and it consists of a few primary components depicted here. First is Swift Start. It's a shingle that's designed to start the run. Most contractors will use a 20-year shingle, flip it upside down, cut off the tabs, and use the adhesion strip on the back. It's not designed what it's being used for in that regards. This is a product that's designed for up to 130 mile per hour wind warranties with a double adhesion strip to make sure that you have the security around the perimeter, which is the most vulnerable spot on your roof to wind weather-related issues. The next product that we utilize is a product by the name of Roof Runner. It's a synthetic plasticized tarp that's designed to keep this house dry, right? The most important attribute is your underlayment. All the shingles do is keep that underlayment protected. If you look here, this is a biodegradable felt paper, low tensile weight, shrinks and expands with moisture, right? We upgrade all of our clients to Roof Runner, which is a synthetic plasticized material. It's almost like putting a tarp underneath your shingles. The next product that we'll go through is a product by the name of Winter Guard. Winter Guard is a product that was used up north for ice damming. Here we don't have that issue, but this picture depicts what ice damming is. The ice would freeze, go up underneath the shingles, start slowly rotting around the perimeter. Where we utilize it is in all of your high water concentration areas, valleys, low slope roofs, around any of your flashings, around any of your rake walls and penetrations to that roof. It's self-adhealing, self-sealing. Let's say a tree limb was to fall on the house and scar into this, it would seal back into itself once it gets to the proper temperature. The next product that we would be using is the Landmark Series shingle. The Landmark Series shingle is the heaviest grade 30-year shingle available to this market. Weighs in at 240 pounds per square, where our closest competitors, GAF and Owens Corning, weigh in at about 220 per square. There's attributes to this shingle that create the density, right? Heavy granules, copper within the granules for its algae resistance attributes. When you think about the anatomy of a shingle, the most durable shingle is going to be the heaviest. A shingle is fiberglass permeated with asphalt, then a granular stamp. All these granules do is keep this fiberglass mat protected, and all this shingle does is keep that underlayment protected. So the heavier weight shingle, the better off you are. When the price of petroleum went up, all of the other manufacturers started cutting corners and cutting costs within their products by producing less asphalt within their shingles. That asphalt, CertainTeed was the only one to stick true to the way things were originally done. That's why they're the only manufacturer that proudly advertises the weights of their shingles in this market. The next, and one of the most important attributes to a roof system, is upgrading and making sure that the ventilation is where it needs to be. With poor ventilation, you have blistering, the asphalt degrades, and it causes heavy granule loss, making that fiberglass mat more susceptible, which ends up creating a risk to your property. Not addressing these weather-related issues like we've addressed here on this property will decrease the property value. For whenever that home is sold, the home inspector will identify that this property was affected by hail. That's why we were able to get this property taken care of through the insurance proceeds, because of weather-related issues. The next attribute to the Landmark Series shingle that I wanted to bring up is the algae-resistant characteristics. They've integrated between 7 and 13% copper granules within the shingles that creates a chemical reaction that stops algae growth within the shingles, and this is covered for 15 years, non-prorated coverage from the manufacturer. We're able to put on the real warranty, which is 25 years non-prorated coverage of our workmanship. There's one upgrade that we will be giving to the next 25 people that click the link below, which is to Shadow Ridge, which is a heavier weight, heavier grade ridge product that qualifies you for the real roof system and the real warranty. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jack Odo with Rock and Rod Roofing and Restoration. I wanted to thank you guys for taking the time to get to know my business, right? We have a shop in the back that you got to see with some of our products. You got to see a job site, hot rods where we fabricate these things. We did this so we could bring more enjoyment out to the community and set ourselves apart. Our product speaks for itself. Please click the link below if you hadn't already. And if you have, it's been a pleasure to get to know you. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.